Upgrade your finishing station and improve your productivity with the TB-WCL, TruBind's standalone twin-loop wire closer. It's the perfect companion for any punching machine and is designed to close the most common types of twin-loop wire binding spines. It's compatible with a 2:1 or 3:1 pitch in sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch in diameter. There are 4 key features designed to help you quickly and accurately close wire-bound projects of different sizes, all in one sitting. Let's take a closer look at these functions and how to use the TB-WCL. The first step is to attach the closing handle to the right side of the machine. Simply remove the locking screw, align the handle, then lock the screw back into place. Today we selected a 1/4 inch twin loop wire binding spine because our project contains 20 sheets of 20-pound paper. Just to be sure, let's place the end of the spine onto the sizing guide. Now that we've confirmed the size, let's turn the dial located on the left side of the machine and watch the meter move to our desired size of 1/4 inch. And just like that, our closer is now set to the size of our wire spine. Next, place the spine onto the fence while making sure that the teeth of the spine are facing out. This will make it easier to align the holes of our project later. Before we bind our project, a pro tip is to take the back cover and place it in front of the front cover like so. Doing this will help you hide the seam of the wire spine as shown in this example. Now align the holes of your project, then gently lift it off the fence and place it into the closer, making sure that the opening of the wire is face down. With our hand holding our project upright, we'll lower the closing handle to complete the process. You're now ready to start using the TB-WCL. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. For this machine and many other products, visit our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.